Welcome to Review Rumble. The best unicorn bracelet is probably one of the most enchanting and delightful accessories a young girl aged 8 to 12 could wish for, blending whimsical charm with a touch of magic that sparks imagination and joy, making it a perfect gift that celebrates individuality and the wonder of childhood dreams. Number 5. BDBKYWY Charm Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the magic of creating your own unique charm bracelets. This kit is designed to inspire imagination and let your creativity shine through. Made from high-quality, safe materials, this set allows you to design personalized jewelry. It's a fun and educational way to explore your artistic side. Dive into the sparkling world of jewelry design. This kit provides everything you need for hours of engaging and creative play. Beyond just fun, this activity helps develop creativity, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. It's a perfect blend of craft and learning. Looking for a special present? This beautifully packaged kit makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for aspiring young designers. Let your imagination run wild as you craft one-of-a-kind bracelets. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to magical self-expression. What we like? This kit is designed to spark creativity and imagination. It uses safe, durable alloy materials for long-lasting wear. If you are looking for a gift that encourages artistic expression and comes in a beautifully designed box, this is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays. What people say. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on my daughter's wrist. The unicorn charm is detailed and well-made, and the colors are vibrant. It comes in a cute gift box, making it perfect for presents. Number 4. ZOOI Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. Discover a world of crafting fun with this amazing bracelet making kit. It's packed with everything you need to create beautiful, personalized jewelry. Adorn your creations with a delightful assortment of charms and colorful beads. You'll find unicorns, pearls, and more to make your designs truly unique. Presented in a vibrant unicorn box, this set makes a wonderful birthday or Christmas surprise. It's an eye-catching gift that sparks joy and creativity. This comprehensive kit includes bracelets, necklaces, and a variety of beads with pendants. It's perfect for girls who love to design their own accessories. Making beautiful bracelets is simple and fun. Just thread the beads onto the bracelet and screw the end cap back on. You can easily mix and match to create a look that's all your own. Host a fantastic DIY party with this kit. It's a great way for girls to connect beads and create fashionable, personalized bracelets for any occasion. What we like? It offers a wide array of charming trinkets, including unicorns and pearls, all in a vibrant unicorn box. The design makes it simple to add and change beads. If you want a kit with lots of variety and an easy-to-use system for creating personalized accessories, this is perfect for DIY parties or as a fun craft activity. What people say. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on my daughter's wrist. The unicorn charm is detailed and looks very cute. It comes in a nice gift box, making it perfect for presents. Number 3. Hidepoo Unicorn Bracelets for Girls. Introducing our enchanting unicorn bracelets, perfect for the little princess in your life. These adjustable bracelets add a touch of magic to any outfit. Each bracelet features a beautiful CZ initial, making it a unique and thoughtful gift. It's a special way to show her how much she's cherished. Adorned with sparkling CZ stones, the unicorn charm is truly captivating. This piece of jewelry is designed to delight and inspire. The adjustable heart initial design ensures a comfortable and secure fit for any wrist size. She can wear it every day with ease. Looking for the ideal birthday gift? This charming bracelet is a wonderful choice that she'll treasure for years to come. Give the gift of imagination and sparkle with these delightful unicorn bracelets. It's more than just jewelry. It's a piece of magic. What we like? This bracelet features customizable initial charms and a sweetheart unicorn design. It's also adjustable for a comfortable fit. If you're looking for a personalized gift with a touch of magic and a cute, adjustable design, this is ideal for birthdays or as a special treat for a young girl. What people say. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on my daughter's wrist. The unicorn charm is very detailed and looks exactly like the picture. It comes in a nice gift box, perfect for giving as a present. Number 2. MIXJOY Unicorn Pearl and Rhinestone Bracelet. Discover a bracelet that sparkles with pearl and rhinestone details. Its magical unicorn design adds a touch of whimsy to any outfit. This elegant pink bracelet is crafted for those who adore unicorns. It's a beautiful accessory that complements your personal style. Looking for a unique gift? This makes an ideal present for birthdays or Easter, especially for any unicorn enthusiast. It comes presented on a charming card within a lovely gift box. This ensures it's ready to be gifted right away. Add a touch of magic and sparkle to your day or surprise someone special. It's a delightful accessory for women of all ages. What we like? This option features elegant pearls and sparkling rhinestones, perfect for unicorn enthusiasts. It arrives in a gift box, making it ready for gifting. If you or someone you know adores unicorns and appreciates a touch of sparkle and sophistication, this is a wonderful choice for birthdays or Easter. What people say. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on my daughter's wrist. It's a beautiful design with colorful beads and a cute unicorn charm. The quality is good, and it seems durable enough for everyday wear. Number 1. Silver Tone Little Princess Rainbow Unicorn Pendant Necklace. Discover the magic of our Little Princess Rainbow Unicorn Pendant. This exquisite necklace is designed to bring a touch of fantasy to any outfit. Adorned with vibrant rainbow hues, this pendant captures the whimsical spirit of a unicorn. It's a delightful accessory for girls and ladies alike. Crafted with a beautiful silver tone finish, this necklace offers a touch of elegance. It's perfect for adding a subtle sparkle to your everyday wear. Looking for a special gift? This charming pendant makes a wonderful present for women and girls who love unique and fashionable jewelry. Embrace your inner princess with this fun and fashionable accessory. It's a stylish statement piece that's sure to turn heads. Let this enchanting unicorn bring a little magic into your life. It's more than just a necklace, it's a symbol of dreams and wonder. What we like? This is a stylish necklace adorned with a rainbow unicorn pendant. It's designed to be a fashionable accessory for women and girls alike. If you're searching for a cute and trendy piece of jewelry that celebrates unicorns and can be given as a thoughtful gift, this necklace is a great option. What people say. The bracelet is adjustable and fits comfortably on my daughter's wrist. The unicorn charm is very cute and detailed, my daughter loved it. It comes in a nice gift box, perfect for a present. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.